pawn shop kit wiring instructions. First, you need to cut off the end of the transformer wire. On the transformer, identify the positive and negative wires. Note that the positive has white markings along the wire and the negative is solid black. On the receiver, you'll have to identify the red for positive, the black for negative, the yellow for common, the blue for normally closed, and the green for normally open. Connect the positive red from the receiver to the positive coming from the transformer. Connect the negative solid black from the transformer to the negative solid black from the receiver. Connect the common yellow from the receiver to the negative wires you have just connected. You can now connect the harness to the receiver, which should have the blue and the green wires free. Remember, you must match the sequence of the dip switches on the receiver as well as on the transmitter so they can communicate. On your push button, now identify your normally closed connection and your common connection. On the push button now, connect the normally closed from the receiver, which is the blue wire, to the normally closed terminal and bring an extra wire to the common terminal. On the key switch, connect the normally closed white wire to the common wire from the push button. On the magnet, connect the common from the key switch to the negative terminal and the positive wire coming from the power supply to the positive terminal. Now on the buzzer, connect the positive or red wire to the positive of the power supply and the negative or black wire to the normally open or green wire of your receiver. Now you're ready to plug in your power supply and test your circuits. Thanks for watching this video, and until the next time.